Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going over what is wholesale monitoring for homes. So wholesale monitoring is basically when you have multiple locations under one account. So majority of the time we see this with businesses, however we do see it with families as well. Main example is if kids are going off to college, they're getting their own places, parents will want them to be safe and secure, so they'll buy systems for them and then get alarm monitoring. Now, usually we have customers who will already be monitored with us, and then they'll have other people, friends or family, sign up as well. Usually, if it's family, like I mentioned, especially for like kids going off to college, the parent still kind of wants to have a little bit of control, so they'll put the account under their name, and then they would want the remote application paired to theirs as well. So, for example, for a Honeywell panel, Total Connect 2 is the application that's used to remotely arm and disarm the system, as well as get live alerts. So with that application, you can have multiple locations there. So if, child is going off, they're getting their own place, parent gets them security system, wants to kind of keep an eye on the monitoring to make sure everything is okay, the parent can sign up the child under the same monitoring service that they have. Different plan, of course, because it's a new location. But the accounts can be linked. So basically, the parent will be the master user because they have the first account. This will be added as a secondary location to their existing Total Connect. So the parent can go through both locations, check event notifications, check alarm history, remotely arm and disarm if needed, and then get live notifications about alerts or anything like that. Now, the child going off, of course, they still want to have some control over their system. They still want to be able to arm and disarm remotely so they don't always have to rush in, beat the entry delay if they come in while the system's armed, and then try to disarm. So in that case, the master user, the parent, can create a sub-user account for the child. So that account can give the child access to the system remotely, so arming and disarming. They can get the notifications. It can basically act the same way that the master account would. You can kind of set that up for really anyone in your own location, for other locations, anything like that. Sub-users can be set up. You can give them permissions on what they can and cannot get or do. You can set up on what notifications they receive, how they receive the notifications, so on and so forth. Now, there isn't really a limit for this, so if there's someone who wants to monitor, their parents' home, their child, friends and family, in-laws, anything like that, all those locations can be linked to one Total Connect account if that's the want. So with that same idea, you can basically just go through each location, view all the notifications there, view all the event logs, view all the alarm history, arm and disarm, get the notifications, and then, of course, like I mentioned, create the sub-users for those locations as well. Now, some companies will kind of give a bonus, quote unquote, for people that do sign up multiple locations. At Alarm Grid, we do offer a free month for each new location signed up. So when we have customers that sign up new locations that are linked to them, or if they refer someone, they get a free month of monitoring. Just kind of a little bonus for referring people to the company. Other companies will of course do their own thing. Some other companies could offer free months. They could offer some other sort of incentive. But basically, wholesale monitoring is possible. It's very easy and very easy to maintain. We do have demos of Total Connect on our website, www.alarmgrid.com, and we do have more information about monitoring on our site as well, alarmgrid.com/monitoring. We do have a couple videos as well about setting up monitoring, about setting up Total Connect, about how to use Total Connect on our YouTube channel, and especially this video. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon when we release more content. Pretty short video, but that's pretty much wholesale monitoring. If you have any more questions, feel free to email us, support@alarmgrid.com, or give us a call, 888-818-7728. My name is Dylan with Alarm Grid. Thank you for watching.